I was a windscreen fitter for 20 years, and basically I didn't think I applied for an apprenticeship. Didn't think at my age I'd be able to get an apprenticeship at 42, but the opportunity arose with SGN and took it with both hands, really.
I've been with the business for 32 years, and I started in 1990 as an apprentice service engineer, which was then British Gas, transitioning through my career into a team manager level, engineering manager, and now regional manager. So there is an opportunity for apprentices to have lots of development within the gas industry and the gas network.
My main role at the moment is to help support the team leader and the mates on site with different variations of jobs. It could be a gas escape, a new connection, an alteration, a damage. But my main role at the moment is to support where I can until I'm further qualified, where I'll then be able to take on more tasks and more work.
Basically, it's made me really look at where I want to go with my career and my career path. I'm also doing, with this part of the apprenticeship, is doing a maths GCSE, because I never sat a maths GCSE at the school, so that's something I can be proud of if I pass it.
But one of the things that I would actively encourage about an apprenticeship is that you earn a decent wage whilst learning. It's not always something that I thought was available to me when I was younger. Being that I'm 29 now, when I was 16, most people who did apprenticeships they went through family members to go work with their dad, and it's not something I ever considered, being 29 and being an apprentice. I think it's given me a better understanding of how a career works. Because a lot of my friends, they do jobs and they do the same thing every day, and they say they're quite bored. Being an apprentice, I'm learning so many different new things that when I finally reach a further point in my career path and I'm fully qualified, I'll have so much more responsibility and I'll be earning a decent wage with that.
So we're looking for enthusiastic individuals that can come and join our business and our apprenticeship scheme to enable people to develop skills, knowledge, an excellent programme of learning and longevity of a career in the gas industry.
Take the opportunity while you can. There's no sort of age limit now, so go for it. If there's one available, take it.